I would like to say, wherever you are and wherever you're listening and you're saying this right now, that if you're a youth and you're not coming out, you are a parent out there and you feel like you are unconcerned, where you are, your kids are not in Lagos, your kids are not in Abuja, your kids are not in the key area where they are having chaos right now. Just wait in a moment to get to your turn. Can you just say, wherever your kids are going right now, are you going out with them? They might also be a victim. Those people that went out last night never thought they would never make it back home. They went out to protest for the future of this nation, but they met the loom and they were shot dead by the people they are paying their salary, by the people that are supposed to protect them, by the people that supposed guarded by law to defend against forces that will have any harm against them, are the people arming them. Who are the people that gave the order to shoot at defenseless citizens? Take for instance, you would make that shooting last night and you will go back to your family to hug them, to hug your wife, to hug your kids. I will say, as long as the earth remains and seasons remain and the Lord remain and day and night remain, everything you did last night, all you perpetrators, all you chameleon people in nature, dancing with us but giving the order to shut us down, your generation till fourth generation will experience bitter and more worse than this by the greatest gods that we have. I will not even say only God Almighty. God Almighty will shut your generation down. They will encounter bitterness throughout their life. Your sons and daughters that you sent overseas will never come back with great things. They will meet even bigger problem in their life. You will not die well. And so it's okay, bye. Don't even think that you are coming in 2023 and tell us to come and vote for you. You are in problem. We don't need you anymore. If you are not content in giving us your honest advice as fathers, please stay off. We are done with your generation. We need to tell our generation coming, our kids, that we fought for this thing you are enjoying. Just the same way you are enjoying your future now, that you are using to eat up our own future. We know you people, and we are coming for you. It's just a matter of time. Shoot at us. We will not stop. Amama Soros, okay. A SARS officer that your salary is not up to 1.2 million per annum, and you have a property that worth over 150 million. Where do you get that money from? From the sweats, from those people that you publicly come and call criminals, and you condemn them, but you go behind them on the streets and you extort them. And if they don't give you what they deserve, you will kill them. These are the monsters you created when you are embezzling our funds, when you are channeling our money to overseas. These are the monsters you are creating, you don't know. Now the monsters are really matured. And right now, they are matured enough to come back and fight you. These are the rotten system you created. An ordinary citizen. All what we are asking for is not just a right to live. It's a right to live and live well in our nation. This is our nation. Iluwa lele. We deserve the right to live and live well indeed. Why are Nigeria going outside the nation and they are prospering? Why can a young Nigeria go to US, go to Saudi, go and be cleaning offices and toilets, and yet they are prospering? The same job they cannot do in their fatherland. Why are they doing that? It's because they have an enabling environment to progress in life. Create us only an enabling environment. That's all we ask for. We haven't asked for too much. Graduates are there every year. You've stationed them. You've subjected them to just a system of education that will not add to their betterment in life. You subjected graduates to a system of education that they will not add anything specific to their skills. They will only be reading and reading and reading. What you read last week, can you remember now? those are the kind of graduates you subjected our education to produce, so that we will be valueless to the situation of the country, so that you have a reason not to employ us, so that you have a reason to be sending your children that you sent overseas to get a better education to come and govern us and be our boss in those offices, so that we will remain slave forever. You put us in Nigeria to experience the rotten education system, and you take your daughters and sons overseas to go and enjoy the best education, so that when they come back they will have edge over us to be our boss. And even if we say we are educated, you subject us to be a slave, and we will still worship your kids. That will no longer be tolerated in this nation. Make it better, or we don't want you again. In short, you do or you don't do, we are done for you. Thank you.